Hello guys, today I'm going to show you top 6 betting websites that will make you money in this year 2024 and every year. So I will mention 6 websites that will make you money online. Please, my name is Bismarck. On this channel I show videos about how to make money online, but the main aim on this channel is how to predict bets and win, show you how to websites that will help you win bets, how to win bets, and how I also win my bets. And I also show videos about my success on this channel using bet. Okay, so guys, I will mention all the 6 websites that will help you to win bets each and every day. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me start from number 6. I will mention them from 6 to number 1. So starting with the number 6, we have SuperScore. So guys, if you don't know SuperScore, you go to Google Play Store, you search for SuperScore, you will see SuperScore there. Make sure you install SuperScore, and I have videos about this app, how to use SuperScore to win bet. So guys, just check on my channel, you see a lot of videos under this app and how it can make you win bets. It can help you to win bets. That's the number 6 for you guys. Number 5 on the list is PredictZ. PredictZ is a betting website that focuses mainly on football, I mean soccer. They predict soccer for you guys, okay? They predict soccer for you, and this website is 100% guarantee. You know, betting, I can't just say 100% guarantee, but it's more than 75% guarantee. So the number 5 on our list is PredictZ, and let's go to the number 4 on our list. Number 4 on our list is Betfair Exchange. Betfair Exchange. Okay, guys. So this is another website that also predicts bets for their customers and people around the world who are interested in winning bet. Okay. So this betting prediction website is predicting bet for you guys. Okay. So that's the number 4 on our list, and number 3 on our list is OLBJ, online betting guide, into bracket online betting guide. So this online betting guide is also another website that predicts football. So this is how they do it. They predict these football games through their head-to-head play, their news. They check injuries and other stuffs. Okay, guys. So this is how this betting websites predict their game. Okay, head-to-head news, injuries, and managers, a lot of things. Okay, guys. So make sure you subscribe, you share the video, you like, and you comment what you think about this video. Okay, and the number 1 on the list will be the most important one, guys. So wait and watch till the end. Okay, so the number 2 is 4Bet. 4Bet is another betting prediction website or a prediction site that is mainly focusing on predicting games on football, I mean soccer only. And maybe they have a lot of things to, not only soccer. So when you register or you sign up on this channel, on this website, you are going to get bets for, they have free and VIP, but I'm ensuring you to go for the free one first. When you make some money, you can pay for the VIP if only you want. Okay, so the number 1 on our list is BetUred. Okay, BetUred. So this website is number 1 on our list, and this website is the best website that gives away a prediction which is about 80% guarantee. It's 80% sure that you are going to win that game. So these are the number 6 top betting prediction websites, guys. So you can go through them, and the one that you want, you sign up with them, start working with them. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share the video, and you like, comment what you think. If video about this website, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. See you in my next video. Be my subscriber.